Hey there, welcome to the Powerful Marketing Tips Podcast. We created this podcast for you, overwhelmed business owners who want to build, run, and organize their marketing for good. And here are your hosts, Marilise and Laura.
Hi, it's Laura here. So today I have a very practical episode for you. If possible, I recommend watching it on YouTube as I will be sharing the screen. But don't worry if you can't right now, I will do my best to explain what is happening on the screen. Anyway, in the previous Quick Tips episode, Marilis shared 7 tips that make content creation a lot easier. Today, I want to share with you how you can build a simple content plan and strategy that will help you to stay consistent and productive. The key is to take some time at the end or beginning of each month to plan out your entire month. And I know that it can sound like a lot of work, but actually it will help you to become more productive as you focus. Also, think about how much time you will save throughout the month by not having to frantically think about content ideas or worry about not having posted anything for a while, right? So let's go. I will now share my screen to show you a simple Google Sheets template that you can use or build your own. So here we go. All right, so you should be seeing stuff on the screen right now. So this is the content plan template. It consists of 2 tabs. On the first one, we have a very simple strategy. So channels that we are using, frequency, how often are we posting on those channels, and also the goal of each channel. Because people will not be following you or consuming your content just because you want to sell to them. They will be following you because you are sharing valuable information, you are sharing inspiring tips, quotes, whatever it is that applies to your industry. Think, why should people actually follow you? So once you have determined that, it's time to categorize your content. So what type of content you will be sharing? For example, inspiration, tips, tricks, tutorials, interesting facts, products and services. So sharing what you do, why you do it, how you do it, just educating people, and also how you differ from competitors. Next up, thought leader category. This is about establishing yourself as an industry leader. Next up, entertainment. We can't have social media without entertainment, right? So votes, humor, prizes, whatever it is, just some engaging, entertaining content. And last up, we have personality, sharing who you are, why you are the way that you are, how you differ, showing the process, what is happening behind the scenes. People are curious and they want to know. So once you have established those categories, it's time to create the content plan. And here we go. So it all starts with a date. So when will you be posting a piece of content? Let's double click and choose a date. And if you're wondering how you can create this calendar view by double clicking on a Google Sheets document, it's very simple. Just highlight the area that you want to add the calendar to, go to data, data validation, and criteria, date is valid date. Next up, we have channel. So what is the channel that you will be posting on this date that you just chose? So here you can see I have a drop-down list. How you can create a drop-down list? Very simple again. Highlight the area that you want to insert the drop-down list to, go to data, data validation, and criteria is list from a range. And if you click select data range, you can choose from the first page the channels that we have marked down. Okay. And also the same applies to the content categories that you just chose for yourself. So next to channel, we have the category. Then we have the content idea. This is just some area for you to write down the ideas as you plan your content. For example, this is when we will have a holiday, or this is where we will launch a new campaign or a new product or service, whatever it is. Next up, post text. So what is the copy that you will be using? And also what is the visual? So it could be a photo, it could be a video, it could be, I don't know what else, an article, document, whatever it is, just add that link here so it's all in the same place. And of course, if you are planning to use ads to further promote your posts, then you can add the budget here as well. And once you have posted this, mark it down as posted. And if you're wondering how you can rate this checkbox system here, again, highlight the area, insert, checkbox. And there you have it. I hope this simple template is helpful on your content creation journey. Of course, there are many softwares that you could be using from which you can also post directly to the channels. For example, Hootsuite or Contentino or Loomly. And channels are natively also improving planning and scheduling possibilities. For example, Creator Studio for Facebook and Instagram. And also a simple design tool, Canva.com, now offers the possibility to map out your content. So whatever works for you, just do that. But this Google Sheet type of plan is a very foolproof way to plan your content and ensure that everything will remain intact and you will keep your archive of posts. Thank you for tuning in today. I look forward to chatting with you again on the upcoming Quick Tips episodes. Take care.
That's all we've got for this episode of the Powerful Marketing Tips podcast. Make sure to link up with us at our free monthly international mastermind event. Just go to powerful-marketers.com/mastermind for registration. And one thing that would really help us and other new potential listeners is if you would rate this show and leave a comment wherever you tune in to listen. Until next time, take care.